Good morning, this is Chef Bourque. We're getting ready to ball some serious crawfish out here. I'm using my new double burner Loco 100 quart pot. And it's a baller and steamer. But I tell you what, this is going to be nice. And I've got my geekum gloves. Yep, got my geekum gloves I'll be using. That's that black pair right there. Geekum gloves, thick rubber. There's my walk of shame. Hey, it's ready to go, Shay. Ready to go. Hey. All right, Corey. That's my grandson, Corey. Corey getting ready to get up and get the walk of shame rolling, Shay. Hot dang. Oh, yeah.
You want to see?
There's the little watcher. She gonna make sure everything goes good, and that's her granny right there. Look at that. Let's get up there and see what these crawfish are really looking like.
Maddie, look at them.
Now, these crawfish come from this.
Maddie?
From Hank's Crawfish.
You want to check them out?
Out of Judy's.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, out of Judy's or right there in Judy's. Look at that. Look at that. Look how big. Now that's crawfish, boy. Let me tell you what. There's the other grandson, Charlie. Look here.
Look, they're swimming.
Oh yeah.
Little sucker.
You don't need some gloves, guys?
Oh no. Let's take the fun out of it.
Yeah. Hold that up. Oh yeah, I got it.
Whoa. Look at this one, Maddie. Whoa. You want to touch his back?
Maddie said, throw him in the water.
You want to touch his back? You want to pinch it? You want to touch it? Okay.
He said, no, I don't want to touch that thing.
Okay. Like, what you talking about, Corey? I don't want to touch that.
I don't know if you can hear this or not, but boy, that son of a gun sure is just hauling up a storm. That's my corn and potatoes, baby. Hot dang. Hey.
Go on.
Wait a minute. Now they're going in. Got strong man Corey there. Putting them in slowly but surely. Hot dang. Now we're going to bring it up to a boil, and I'm going to go 5 minutes on these rascals.
It's already boiling. Yeah. You want to set a timer?
Already.
Paul, you want to set a timer or not yet?
Oh, no. Wait till it starts boiling.
Okay.
When it starts boiling.
Like really boiling? Yeah, rolling. I'm good with that. It ain't gonna be too long.
It ain't gonna be long. I got a pound of shrimp.
Oh yeah.
In the
You want to
fridge.
pour it in now?
Yeah, throw it in. I got a pound of shrimp in the fridge.
All right.
In a plastic bag.
Yeah.
I got 1 dozen.
I want to add that at the end.
That's the lotto shrimp.
The lobsters?
Each shrimp's got a number on it.
Oh my God.
Whoever gets the number 7. Yeah, man. Why don't you tag them all? 1 through 7 gets the next number of crawfish. Yep.
All right.
Let's go. Oh yeah, now we are ready to put in the dry powder, a little bit of it. Now they're shaking it up. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Damn, you guys are good, man.
Is that a 2-minute shake-up video? Put some rocks in it.
Oh yeah, man. we put rocks in it. People think we actually got crawfish. Huh.
Yeah.
All right, let me see what we still got in this rascal. Oh yeah. Ah. Yeah, we still got a few crawfish in there, boy. I tell you what, and some shrimp. I don't think anybody found number 7 yet. Did any of y'all get number 7 shrimp?
Nope. Oh no, number 9.
Number 9. What number you got, Charlie?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Who's buying the next sack of shrimp or crawfish?
The winner, next 7, buys the next sack of crawfish. Hot cake, I tell you. Oh, yeah.
They were big.
Oh, man, I gotta get me some of this garlic right here.
They were big like yours, Charlie,
Oh,
last
yeah.
week.
Oh, no, these are almost the same size.
Corey, you got you some of that garlic?
Oh yeah, I got me a little bit.
Charlie, you?
In my
Oh, I'm
last
good.
one.
Yeah, I got some right here. Oh, yes, sir.
Garlic's good in them too.
Damn.
Meat out, and I got a little onion.
That's a Schlitz birdhouse. Helen did an excellent job. I'm just loving it. Boy, my birds, oh, I'm going to have to watch my Schlitz now. Damn. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.